Hey, I don't know where I get that from, but obviously I like it now because it's in a lot of my videos. But not just about email marketing, but what is an email list? I know you see it around social media somewhere. You've seen me post it, but what's an email list? An email list is nothing but a direct marketing funnel for businesses to communicate with their target audience. Obviously, your target audience, you have them, you post the CTA, your call to action, and you have them put in your name, your email list, and then that's when they're on that particular list that you have set up for them to sign up for. So that's for you to engage with them, give them valuable information about your sales, your products, you in general, to communicate with them, not just for you to make a sale as well, but for you to engage with them, get their feedback, surveys. That's how you build loyalty. And then along with that email list, for you to deliver coupons and everything like that in your business, and to build client retention as well, for clients to return, all of that jazz, it helps with it. But you should have a welcome series that's included with your email list. And your welcome series is whenever someone signs up, and then that's when they directly go into that list. That's an opportunity for you to actually introduce yourself. And then that's when you deliver whatever the CTA is, your call to action. Deliver whatever that is, because that's your promise. So make sure you deliver that promise mission, as I call it. So deliver that, and then that's when you can obviously go into speaking into how you solve an issue for your clients. Whomever comes to you, you solve an issue for whatever it is. And then that's when you can go and elaborate more so on your sales, your products, all this and that. And then talk about ways how you're involved with the community, whatever it is. But that's basically your email list and your welcome series. But if you want to know more information and then you need help, reach out to me. I'll be more than glad to help you. But let's elevate to alleviate. I'll see y'all later.